Merry Christmas, Charlie.
Merry Christmas, Charlie.
Okay. Let's see if Santa came.
Did Santa eat? Look!
He ate it all.
And look!
Oh my goodness!
What is it, Charlie?
He brought me lightsaber.
Show it to Daddy. Show, look here. Oh, wow. What else?
Oh my goodness.
What's that, Charlie?
Another Spider-Man costume.
Oh.
And another Spider-Man mask.
And what else?
And this.
Wow.
And he also brought Henry some toys and some baby. And he also brought Henry some baby toys. And look what else I've got. It's a Spider-Man puzzle. And look what else I got. A Spider-Man calendar. Look,
Wow, Charlie.
it's a Spider-Man calendar. And look what else I bought. I did that.
What do we say to Santa Claus?
Thank you, Santa Claus.
All right. He knew, didn't he, Charlie?
Let me get this off.
Charlie, what's that in that bag over there? Right by Henry.
That big plastic bag. What is that?
It's a car seat.
Whose is it, do you think?
It's mine. Henry,
Charlie.
I'm sharing the red lightsaber with Henry.
Charlie. Charlie. Look right at Daddy and say, "Thank you, Santa Claus.
Thank you, Santa Claus.
Merry Christmas."
Merry